Weol lau puppies, batte problemis, puppies grow up, ordotei, believe y tornot, tereare dog breed sotinita teista y looking like puppies for tire lives, from ancient Japanese royalty to modern Teacup wonders, tese dogs prove tatuje personalities can come in pins y set packages, todayon te dogosone. Weare counting un 10 miniature dogs Joe won't believe exist, hetre adi for acutenes overload. Rank, 10 bichon frise starting our list at number 10 is the bichon frise. The name translates from French as curly lab dog, and it fits perfectly. Descended from water spaniels and poodles. Tese with powder puffs typically weigh between 10 to 20 pounds 4.5 to 9 kilogramos. They are the perfect family dog, extremely loyal, playful with children, and hypoallergenic. Their fluffy with quatis their trademark, making them look like a living marshmallow. Just remember, looking this good requires regular grooming. Rank, 9 Chihuahua at number 9, the favorite of celebrities and luxury lovers, the Chihuahua, often classified as a purse dog. They are one of the smallest breeds in the world, usually weighing between 4 and 6 pounds 1.8 to 2.7 kilogramos. Originating from Mexico, what they lack in size, they make up for in attitude. Chihuahuas are fiercely loyal to their owners. They can be a bit protective sometimes thinking they are much bigger than they actually are. But at the end of the day, they are affectionate companions while nothing more than burrowing under a blanket with Joe. Rank, 8 Japanese Chin number 8 is a dog fit for an emperor, the Japanese Chin. This ancient breed has existed for over 1,000 years as a companion to royalty. Weighing between 4 to 9 pounds, they are known for a very unique trait. They act more like cats than dogs. The Japanese Chin is independent, loves to jump on its furniture to watch the room, and even uses its paws to wash its face. If you are a cat person who wants a dog, this is the breed for you. Rank, 7 Miniature Schnauzer coming in at number 7 is the sophisticated miniature Schnauzer. Standing about 14 inches tall, this dog packs a lot of intelligence into a small body. With their distinctive beard and bushy eyebrows, they have one of the most expressive faces in the canine world. They always look like they are deep in thought. Although small, they are sturdy and alert. However, they love to eat, so owners need to watch their diet to keep them healthy. A smart, stylish, and loyal friend. Rank, 6 Toy Poodle at number 6, we have the genius of the group, the Toy Poodle. Don't let the size for you. Standing under 10 inches tall, the Toy Poodle has the same intelligence and athleticism as its larger cousins. Originally water dogs, today they are obedience champions and agility stars. They come in many colors and are famous for being virtually set-free. If you want a tiny dog that can learn any trick in the book, the Toy Poodle is your best bet. Rank, 5 Toy Fox Terrier number 5 is a bundle of energy, the Toy Fox Terrier. These little dogs were bred down from larger Fox Terriers and are extremely athletic. Weighing only 3 to 7 pounds, they are small enough for any apartment but have the energy of a circus performer. They love to explore, learn, and play for hours. Their athletic body matches their agile mind. They are known for being very funny and retaining their playful nature well into old age. Rank, 4 Pug at number 4, the dog with the most famous WRINKLS in the world. The Pug, with their curled tails and charismatic personalities, Pugs are pure comedy. They have a smooth coat and a muscular, compact body. Pugs are famous for being excellent companions. They just want to be near you. However, because of their short flat faces, they can be prone to wheezing and snoring. They aren't athletes. They are professional relaxers. Keep them cool and loved, and you will have a best friend for life. Rank, 3 Maltese taking the bronze medal at number 3 is the elegant Maltese. These dogs have been bred selectively to remain small for centuries, originating from the Mediterranean. They typically weigh under 7 pounds. In the 17 th and 18 th centuries, breeders tried to make them even smaller. Historically, they were used to catch rats on ships, which explains their surprising bravery. Today, with their long, silky white hair, they are the ultimate lap dog. They fit and wear, but require daily brushing to stay looking like royalty. Rank, 2 Yorkshire Terrier runner-up at number 2 is the feisty Yorkshire Terrier, or Yorkie. Hiciste perfect choice for a home where will be the only dog. Yorkies are confident, affectionate, and excellent watchdogs. They will let you know if a John is at the door. Will standard Yorkies are small up to 7 pounds. Teacup varieties can be as little as 2 or 3 pounds. But be careful, their tiny size make them fragile. Despite looking like a toy, they have the heart of a terrier and a brave spirit. Rank 1 Pomeranian and finally, at number 1, the tiny ball of fluff, the Pomeranian. These dogs are gentle, sweet, but can also be sassy and loud, sometimes acting like demanding children. They make great companions, but so will be introduced to kids carefully due to their small size. A Pomeranian typically weighs between 3 to 7 pounds, but their massive, fluffy coats make them look bigger. They are incredibly loyal and use their bark to serve as tiny, fluffy alarms. A true lion dog in a miniature package. These dogs prove that size doesn't matter when it comes to law. Whether you prefer the cat-like chin or the fluffy Pomeranian, there is a miniature dog for every journey. Which of these tiny breeds will you take home? Let us know in the comments. And if you liked this video, please hit the like button and subscribe to the Dog Zone for more cuteness. See you next time.